Hello guys and welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. My name is Morris, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to link a page in Notion. So linking pages is quite easy. Just follow this methods. Your first step is linking a page using the add symbol. So just use the shift key and add on uh, Windows, and then simply link a page. So a list of pages will be shown depending on the number of pages you have equipped. So I'm just going to be going with dashboard for this. Now, the other method is to use a slash command and then type in link and then select link to page, and then you'll be shown a list of pages you have access to. And for this, I'll be linking it to plans for today. Now, the next method is a copy and paste. So just simply find the page you want to copy. It's on the left hand side of your pages here. Click on the three dotted icons here, click on copy link. It's been copied to my clipboard, and then just simply use the control key and V to paste it. Now, this is what it looks like as a URL, but if you select the mention, it's going to look like this. That's what it looks like. Now, the last option would be to just simply overlay on top of the existing text by simply highlighting the text using your D-pad or your mouse, and then using the control key and V with the existing link you had copied, paste it over there, and now it's going to appear like this, saying plans for today. So if you click on it, it's going to take you over to that page, and voila, you've done so in a couple of minutes. That's just how you can use it. And now the best use cases for this is to use page links for your dashboard, daily planners, project hubs, and shortcuts. So it's like stacking links on top of each other. All right, guys, so that's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.